051500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganete byuma bitingu bitari kuboneka na kokota bwango. Ebyuma bikomenya asige kigetambe na gokobo kwali bya asemermo yao. E company ya Davis and Shuttle Nero munyangongo asika kimyaka 59 asobonia byuma ao byobye bwekerengo kyayuro aseriguriria nigo bakonia chimota chipambu cyamache icyo gusyarira bimeri amache kigenerator kisolar panel amone machine cyo gukenura amache ngwagacha bari swimming pool na kugisibya ngone baramalyogo yo gukenura amache asumu cy'ubusongo Davis and Shuttle nigo bagutuka samaga cha Stage Plaza ayari virinitiye negitesenye kene gichigari asamange wakirisimi ase namba 0708623645 gose 0711079840 gose 0711079324. Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Manchu murigereria karibu sana naenda sensemega ya kabere mbya mona soko gendra gosangana into asemesema ya kuren soko chinsa isato na bona sensemega ya kabere na chika ukuriera eira to chiko sanga anemono aya ayetana ine hoborai bwage siasa na anemono kubwatirania na basa etomanye birangereri byabo mbiribi na boigo okogani kwabo asabara ya bange baesokire na kubariera eira bunamba chikubwatirani gwase oborai bore bosyo na boigo tomanye kurigereria na aria yagendretekero abasa ya bange bagendete gwesokya na gwesonana na siasa na boigo ninki kegera tabasa ya bange batataiti gwesonana na siasa na anemono kero kubori wakogendete kwebe kwanga basa baesokie bairikie buna koba abakichukura asengencho umubarobo nabo ore omonge ase ense ya Kenya na boigo orogongorwa Africa igo ase studio nimbwate omagani nchiko mwari bagago kwani akomanyenerie tariaye tutaraso ase nkwana yeito ya rero botuko bwariro karibu sana.
Asante
nabo komukwani omugusi omumanya marieta toso ase nkwana yeito ya rero.
Thank you my brother for having me here today. Abantu bonsi pikoro orogongorwa gusi abantu banyamira Kisii County mugusi yonde bwense sabita bakenya bonsi bare ime yense ya Kenya na isiko na bakwa mbia mara mwezi. Thank you again twachire gato sangiamo tosegetana tonyore nkimusaya aranyare wekonya kusengi toranyare go push our country to a better step mbia mwana.
Karibu sana bantu tochake elimo lyoka kiroko rigeria siasa chense ya Kenya oborai na bego kubwatiro ni kwa basaye. On that process, are we heading to the right direction? Asengencho umurai kuchakiro umurai bwense baka abarai ba childrense baba tabanga chinga kejigane chavasai. How is that practical?
For me, I believe in it's practical because no one is coming to give you the seat. Na gweko gwerwana lekerogeke. So mosanya mataita so in these political spaces, it's very practical. Lakini nini to kwenda na into swana nini to kabanyene. Toko ganyana ati asengencho morainaro acha ko unpick, no one is going to unpick you. Na gweko gocha werigeri bageri osororo. That is the only possible way. We can into to be una basai. Toko ganyana ati omonene bwense ko somwe msio somwe we ko etome. O to etoma we go to make.
Kero kwandra mbare kerabasaye nabu batebiri nabu the majority omabaro nabu especially Kenya no rongo Africa. Inki gako gera bange babo batari gwesokya for these seats, inki gako gera bange babo bare disengaged no gweso ni asamangana a political affairs or issues.
ase unandengereti tali abange patari wesoki abange ngwesoki bare but bono usang the chances na chitari yo available gose especially the financial resources you see with campaigns even tari no go serabant with the mobilization itself logistics choko move from place to place it's hectic, so sometimes usang most of the youths very empowered financially so that becomes a problem to navigate through these political journeys. But ukiangalia abandi mbali bakotema, so it's not the issue about tarigo soka abange mbaro, lakini you see the support sometimes inakuwa shida lakini abasa mbaro I believe they are there. Yes.
Kero kwandra now what should be done ko encourage abasa abaiga baesoyi ase magana iga siasa na kubwatanirwa nande inkieke kendi bakoreta SMS like umuntu na uraboria abasa abaiga ntamuzikero umuntu akona ko bakwandra ninu abarai stand up to your feet moiro bora yoboga mwene kimuna moko irwandra what new una yo musaye na boiga abasa bari bande mokoreta sobora ibwa bono bwa siasa
bagote bese songo you can't an old dog can't learn new tricks but esengeni nabekonyara Quran ebinte bigeni one Omosai is coming with, we are very dynamic. That is the advantage Omosai have with. Now we tokunyara go change anytime we have so that we come with new things that have chire chichenje tene chinga kichitori. For you see Omosai is more viable to the new technology ko monto okarage. Bona it doesn't mean that monto okarage ta kunyara ko facilitate the new technology. Lakini amine ti Omosai buanga ke ko monto. So with Omosai space Omosai is coming with new energy oyo kwena na ebirengere yebigeni kubwa biribiroro. So with Omosai coming in no monto go chane ebirengere yebigeni which will boost the current economy because kende gyonse ko ndrese insa ya Kenya. Yes.
So what do you think asensi ya Kenya basai basokire na boigo abara imbari basokire basai bakwandire na abara ibari abanene abakoro bari abataka na baro basokire bakwandire batabirenga we have issues chibwente gukwanirwa irinda basai babekubuya from where you sit buno mo sai omurai what do you think nebingabire but in general issues kichibwente kurigerwa so that abasai ba feel more inclusive or included in the political leadership?
Number one, it's about the inclusivity of ideas, and they don't say generated. Abasai they should be part and parcel of it. If it's coming with new ideas, almost like we cover. If we take through that, it means almost will feel appreciated was being part of this process. Can I be a part of the process? You can process even the process itself. Can I be a part of the process? Now I feel my ideas are being appreciated, which will generate Abasai abange. Even you see with the ideology of Omosai, like on idea ya one term, two term. On two term na one term. So it's the best idea that we include the youth in whatever we do, in whatever endeavors. They come with a dynamic mind. Now dynamic mind is the best thing that will ever happen to any economy that is trying to grow. And we are in that economy that is trying to grow. So the dynamic mind of a youth
yes. Naso kubatani gwase ebirengeri byabo nare urataka kuboria manyanga asenge nchabara yabega ba imukire ba sabiro burayo bya batebire tubwatrani na intwe it's our time to lead inuna basae wasabara yabasae kero mukurige ryo burayi bwa siasa what kind of leaders do you want, or the qualities asabara ibari moganeti ba maybe babaraye bose baraye ense like murayo obwate qualities kimoko rigere buno mosai
as a youth. The only, let me speak for myself. The only leader that I look up to was someone I went into Getara and say Kenya was saying Deons. No matter what they can take up self awareness. Morayo Monyete, Enega Sinali, telling a correct one. Lakini korere and say Kenya was say as an achoru kobo morai. So if a leader accepts that he's a servant, umuntu kwanza wanjirane ereno mokoli meremo, ochie servant, wose ochie seraia. It will give them an opportunity yoko in a position serving, not being now these what we see moving with sirens and all that, but they've been in a position of serving. If we give that leader who is interested in serving the people, it means to make sure that Kenya is in a better position. But to isokopeko montari for the sake of we know him, mama he knows something, we are headed in the wrong direction. But tiatopeko monto who is we know the interests. You see the good thing about leadership was That is the good thing. Na nito mai chimbo chiao. Tali atia wanta wao cha kuboli je kirogeke na bantu tamanyiti. Iko tika toriga liembo yo monto na andenki. Tika toriga liembo manifestai. Na anda manifestai. Is it achievable? Mai ta manifesto nare. Ora ya unaro koligera liga. Whatever, it is not achievable. So let us also look at what is telling us. Is it achievable? The situation we are in as a country at that moment. Is it achievable? Only if achievable, then that is a good leader to work with.
Yes. Babere bagotebanga bunenchire mo asama tukabwanga abasai babere bagotenga bunenchire mo yokwenekia obora yobuya na bego go feel more included also kubwatira ni wase maybe amagendro na boigo obora ibwe serikali bwensi ya Kenya. More youths babwenta kuesoki na koswa in this leadership. From where you sit, do you think abasaya bange kueso ya sobora ibwe siasa it is a solution, or are there any ways abasaya bara push for good governance and accountability apart from aso kueso siasa sobonge?
Alright, that is a good question, my brother. But also correctly, we have been led by mostly from way back. We are even atokunya ukina. Waigumpaka rienga kia Kibaki bagateba kazi kwa wazee, pesa kwa kazi kwa vijana, kazi kwa wazee. So ukiangalia, we have given these old people the opportunity. Tali etibalini ulibaga. Lakini abantaba, what have they done? Now we think the only solution to what no musai is to come up and fight for these positions. Why? Because those we have given the mandate basinyiru wakoregas. Ponti go musai weka tenene kia nero ranyara we present uye nero what the new ideas to whatever. Maybe abaga kamba what ideas. Lakini chiakare. Ponti yangu tuteme kwa rata chia idea chini ya wasenchirete ama enderero wasenchireli tutayete sekenyoro. That is the best way to go ahead. Tika to focus on new dynamic changes in our dynamic mind. Tiko musai nere achegeti. Tomo tieme. Oyo ndawa tebeke tie keneke gare. Aba mnyonki na bangi. So let us digamos ainera acha aswege tieke and best mind ngocha na teba iko mosa why mosa went to be elected. Let's say for instance, I had 25 years. Mosa in the next 30-40 years will be around. Mosa there is no yara change ara sali mambi. Like work 80 years in the next 20-30 years tali to como sabera bobera kini rende the odds na odds asangi mbaye wono bali kolengere limona for the future lakini musayore in their 30s 20s will fight to make a place. Yes,
Tiratoska basi obona tunyako batokurigeria because the world is evolving and sengo chenjire na boigo in terms of information no bo tumekibwe mitandao yekerero not only in Kenya na borongo Africa ne nsengima kiroko kwandra mangana yobo tumekibwe mitandao the social media and the youths yabere kego tumeka asoko mobilize mtu aroche kiabete 2023 2024 even recently 2025 what do you think munabasa bega bakorigia gutumeke mitandao ega ko call for accountability is it used in the right way?
It's used totally in the right way. It's the old people na bawo chabarara mitandao ego tumeka in the wrong way. Omaite omosai oboni gatabuati bukenyomba tabuati bukabira bonde bonse. Intubono itwarure samangana yobo kinyomba no bukabira twasoira mangana social media ibata yetokoreta cyber crime and whatever wono izo koli yo musayo yo okoli rege ntego rukuna naki bukabira no bukinyomba abantu aba bagotu barora abantu abo no bunganire so they want to kill us through attacking where we are united ama where we call each other to a meeting. So my brother tigango, could you prefer omonto obwato bukenyomba no bukabira osomonto waswa social media, maybe the language sometimes may be vulgar lakini omonto yo na bwato obomo and we can, you know, the cybercrime act is not the best way to deal with these situations because I saw there is a fine of 10 million. Honestly, if you jail somebody for text goes
lakini ndabaga abambali bagotumeka senjere maybe cyberbullying gosarumo you know, religion extremism ebintu binebyo.
I that it's okay to punish but the level of the punishment umuntu boniga a corrupt official mwaro bado so they did negotiate but is this young man using social media na ile chance yoko negotiate? No. So it's a punitive act if I may say that. So it's not going to help the people. But we sokoliga yo mutando omo mroyo tumiro mutanda oyo to unite Kenya, to unite Africa, to unite roje mna tuachira Tanzania wakonya abantu baminto. So these are better person.
So Mheshimiwa Alpha tukatokuwa ndirikega. So how then wente gutumika to tatebe ko wene busego Syria because hate speech neroro ugo sari weri ta kwa abantu nkororo na maybe ba asengencho ebitawo bibyo urende biko tabanga nkoretere insecurities which is the best way rende yogo kora mangana aiga onye these laws chiachire chiatabe kandenge chigo chitete go kandamiza abantu uru yabo yogo kwana. What do you think is the alternative yoko kore mechande? Because honestly hate speech nero obo sakungo to spread bore kutumeke mitanda hivyo. What do you think will be the alternative?
The alternative, I think, first of all, education. Educate the young people on the morals and the irregularities that are there. Let us educate them. Tuambie ukifanya hivi inakuwa mbaya. Secondly, let us involve these youth in making some of these decisions. If this act was also passed through the youth, was awaited in online, you collected the data from online, they could have come with a better act, regulation. You be like Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta kera roje Twitter ya wera nkong, arweto roga tinchi account chance. So the best thing, onye wakaro mutandao wera mokong, ailimi account yago, yenda ngora, tikana abantu bara online. Kero monto online tuwo kumanyiro no kumany. Yeah.
Tiato skebosio aso koria gochuko korrense megentanga nitore na sensemo ya kabere. Tiato cha sorongo bagusi perhaps maybe mumira ndrebuna basaye bose mubwate kirenga buna basaye nakimogo kwandroba mabumo gusi ase perspective yeno buna basaye bali mudete goso ase siasa because okobori okokwabira saba abara yabaga bana siasa bakoro bose bali tutaya baba gotwa bagaka nabangina inuna basaye. What is your take as mabumo?
Obomogusi is a very crucial thing that has been always wanting. It will always want. It's very again tutanya etawata again to create inevitable. Obomogusi we kabobororo. Na anda abantu bonspi oyo kwiboru onye goro mogusi we koungana no mogusi omin. Why? Because keratoramo tutafanya mambo mengi pamoja na tutasaidiana naono korengereri weito okoba in a easier way. That is why no kereto iso kwimo kinono monto kubori no obora ewense it will be easier to even come together and make that decision. We go bomo gusi is something I always support. Na ando bujabona bwaba sai kereto go chama naba gusi. Dori go jana ati mo gusi go so yo arai bwenyumbaki. Bona ngeto go chabo mo gusi bo Kenya. Dobu ati bo Kenyomba. Ona go bujabwa bara yaba keboni gabagoja. Kenyomba njete nyomba oli nyomba kingo timanyete. Angida itikomanya.
Wojo tora sense me akabe ende tumanye asengencho na no bwate kanga yo kwaso ase obra gatumanye manifesto ya gunererie irende kwenda soko kora sense me gentangani kurwa sorongo ragusi abara ibakoriye kero ikega bari baeso oyo monero eso kiri formally oyo ndinare in the process furuno nchironga nkoboria kero ikega abara igaba bere toba kwane mo waziri mukoro Fred Matiang'i no munachebi no mukoro David Kani maraga kurwa sense me yabasaya munachebi no mukoro rock and on the youth agenda inubona basaya. What do you think going forward asa babere osengo moko boko ose kobori koina asibaro bonsin korot?
I thank you for that question. Lakini oisokoligera mamuraba babere gose abagaka babere korusi orongo rwagusi. I'll speak facts today, not the popular opinion that people want to listen to, but oisokoligera with a clean slate, or say a clean plate. Or say the white as no, or say as we may put it in form. Montore saya koraense again. If we were to pick on that question you asked me, if you were to pick on character, Monto which won't Kenya, Mondo Tabuatian scandal, because someone to take a from the past who is going to change Kenya is one David Kinani Maraga. But now you see a leader is somebody who also has to be having the faith, somebody who has the aura. Now, the best other option that we have, luckily enough, option. There is our big brother, Fred Okengo Matiang'i. But if we were to choose based on character, or say based on what we have done before, this is not a popular opinion, but this is the truth. If you were to choose based on merit and not on the aura, it could be David Kinani Maraga. But now coming to the now you might say yes, and it's about numbers. If you look at the numbers between the two people, you might say sometimes na ito kwenda bina osochi kwa eruana esegi na euro checking oswega na achire kobu. You said the joining side. Until you arrange them to be beaten, kuraba join. Alafu uji arrange kwa beaten. Wisokoligerire the ahura in the nation boniga wisokoligerire umurabe supported by other people, we say other fractions in the political scene. Now one Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Now it dawns down what choose between Mary and winning. This man also Fred sieti hajafanya kazi na kazi yake pia imeonekana luckily enough between now the Fred and other candidates in the race. So Fred now becomes at the top of the table. Na wenga asa nabuna wani ngabako nyawatema. Fred comes on top of the table. Fred becomes the better option. Iko nchena as me I could rally my support under Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Yes.
Nechinkwana chae omwanchumo rigereria kurende ya seno ya machiko nkunake tetu tambuka se studio ya kabira sedage kayamo to nyoro mutu mokomo ke tokwirana tukwandre inkikegerete nayo tetego swarinda subure ubage siasa nande manifesto yago ase ewadi ya Bonyamatuta ward West Mugrango Nyamira County tumanye na boigo tunyariko batoko kwandra soko chikokorera mero bidikie bwente kubekwa yo kwani kyasometa basaya bange babo uchumi yabirembe abange basoira soko erusyo bogima abande abasaya mbatagete kukwanirwa tumanye mero birunga kyagante bochibosyo mwancho murigeria nindo cyabagenda tegotoma mapuri ogaika korende timuskara singe njoro che heke karo kya bwatiro modero sana nkore na tora sege kageta ligetambe.
Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Ayatata supa, ayeba supa, ayigase ito supa.
Uru Superstores iyi ni duka mabungia eduka weta ni duka ekoni bintu rwanchaga gucakira ebyubwaga kibuna amabati y'ekigeji obutambe n'ekirangi aho ayukwerorera no gwecorera se showroom yaitu kichuma emisumari kirangi kitangi cyamace nuko natogokora ngurukwemarire ebitunge tyobureme buna chimbusuru nuboyo asi chimdagira ekiniki yagitagwisirwa ngondi frama gute chingeni omochere esukari echumbi nebintu binde binge byeduka takona guchamachama na gutabataba gokena kenanalia kulijeduka sura gure byonsi inse yekiramekemo asogigulirinse ikaseduka ya Uru Superstores aso mu Cyubusongo ibara ya Hospital Road amagajo Uru Complex ane na Credit Bank.
Ken Uru omayene Uru Superstores Limited Kisii. Karibu nyumbani ya Waminto.
Samange akisimi namba 0111161500. Kusetome email info@orusuperstores.com. Boigongo toka turasinjira chekerero buna X, Facebook na Instagram. Uru Superstores, karibu nyumbani.
Asomwa Ken Uru Superstores yonyole bintebe.
Muga nikiskuru asomwana warakora bija asamasomo nechikosoli tegerera bono St. George's Nyamira Academy nere skuru yao emerulito nige kogenda namaganyo a CBE ngurutorobo sombi uburaro nabigo nechi laboratory nebirasibito nebyekerero nigo tugutuka Nyamira County.
Nje Daktari Stanislaus Misati, nje director ya Service Nyamira Academy. Sabe bulingo bakaramya mwana wasaba no muntu no turetera ande ko basaba no gendera turetera abana kyagere school ye buyere tubwate laboratory, tubwate computer sciences library, full computer library na environment ya school ga na berengia sabana baito bagosoma
asamange twakirishimye namba 0722 734583 St. George's Nyamira Academy. Strive to succeed. Kwarasi gutara urugendo rutambe kwenyorera ibintu bicinguru bigutumye stima electronic appliances sungusya electronics nintwe lichiburi yawo nkoni tore electronic appliances chonse buna ebirobo power extensions electronic water heaters chibasi chibeteri solar panels electronic gas cookers egati ijebinde ntubwate phone accessories na boigo ntulene chibundi chikorosi bintu tokonya ninchuwenyo register part chie chinguru electronics boigo nkorosure chispika chie kerengo chiguru icho chigutumika asichikanisa nemega tulineza byokole talentambe kucha kulijebyo bune totalera somo chokebirigo naboiga somo twakirisa namba 0784884484 Sungusya Electronics obokoleri ngo keguru angenaye. Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Manjumurigeria karibu sana sensemo ya kabire o enkwana ito nigegendrete neba mega yechi kamera nensemo ya kabire tugante gosanga nere Alfax Dabincha oyore nekerengagyo goiso ya subare bwabwage siasa tugukwandra siasa yabasaye nabo igebirengere byabo mbiribikero bakorigerera siasa gendreta ndimono ase ense ya Kenya tutaraso ase gukwandre enkwana yago abasaye baminukuru ense ya Tanzania baogete sana. What do you think? Democracy apart from Kenya, chinse Uganda, Tanzania, ensemo ya upinzani abere gukandamizo na bwega basaye babere bagwesokia. What do you think? Tanzania bakorete buyago esoki na kuandamana for their rights?
I think we headed in the right direction as a country, as a nation, as a world. Kwa rata no Tanzania. You see no Madagascar, Bangladesh, what has been going on?
Nepal.
So, Nepal, it's a country all over the world. It's like a disease. Engi, o maito boro irambole bogocha, una bolibwa go seli chingoko. Bolibwa musando. Wa musando yo tiko endre. Tika no nyenkenya ogendre to basa goku. Tali eti una omugako yo asira. Na era musando tiko endre go tubwata. Nali the government will be responsible. Honestly, onye tote umongino yo Suluhu idi mama akabwa chikura na 98%, 97%. Onye gwete na 97%. Ngirena nanda ko boera tagenda ko sworn in a stadium. Onye kabwete chikura 98%. It means like almost everyone voted for you. So that is the the path to go. I want to encourage my friends. I have so many friends from Tanzania to the likes of Goodluck, Babo Kunta. I want to say, my brothers, continue doing the same fight. This country is behind you. Sisi kama wa Kenya, sisi kama ndugu zenu, tuko nyuma yenu na tunawaambia muendelee kupigania uhuru wenu ambao umekuwa ukikandamizwa. So tafadhali nawaomba na msife moyo. Muendelee na huo moyo. Asante.
Tiga toske wese bono tocha sore bono totei ngike kia cheto gatanga bono ni bwende so yobora yoboiga na inche ndorenga ki nko maybe kerenge yao kiange ku bring change na maybe kurekebisha sotaro cha manganare buya bose kerenga kiyaje okamwa otete bono eso ya sogore bwa siasa
obore bwa siasa nchese nkoro asakoro kuponya matuta ward ponya matuta ward ere West Mugirango, and I can say without any fear of contradiction to bwate obore marua barai from way back tokobeko monte sengencho ye reason etari ko make sense ikonto bwate obore meru bo barai kero tubwate obore meru bo barai etogo twaro obore meru bo korerwe gasi nane kero monto tarakorwe gasi emine chipara cheito chigosareka education system yeito ya Nyamira ya sareka Nyamira yoke county ya sareka igo ugatuzi yaito after 10 years I can tell you without any fear of contradiction again jitindo change ende yonse naone county assembly njanya kwa gacho chi executive offices njanya kwa gacho one if you see you look at that it gives you every reason yogo tenena otema koreta ama inchureri ali otagete whatever if you don't like how things are be the change nanje tindaiti evintenjira bire saito igere bonyamatuta osenyamira I don't like the way things are nanje na amwire tiganchenje ebintu kera tinganje ebintu bunabire we make the change yes
ebintu kero bitari bunoroche ayo manyene nabo okweneke ko byonchero that is what you've said
yes
mwarorero mo chando norega busetu teba kwarorero mo chando norororo apart from mo gutwarega ngayo kwenda go soil ndo chikoreta mo onchiria yo ase ekerogekyo maybe mwa present the memorandum bose advice kucha somura yori lekerogo mwa maze ntuna basai we want this bose inchebuna alfax adiga ntokere chipara chitara baga 1 2 3 ntegete mokorega apart from mokorigo so ase siasa ejiga ndo chikoreta mo onchiria yo oyobono mwa makonyire
nche omugago korokuna Julius Matwere kimwomi nero mwemsiona kerako igungo sonda matanga ni gagotama bono yo tata gititumira nera kera manye tengo matainde ke maene lakini ke maene kene kyo komokonya
chobischa enjio
chobischa tori komonyo obischa no montereba abutete ga nero kwa yende maitengo gwara bantereba lakini bono that person atageta menye buna enyitigete ego swayarwa na andi ya no ero sana
so andaga so present the memorandum ya beire omochando so let's talk of now you what do you have an idea say ogochikokorera abana incha baiga amagendro that is it onye nyasaye ga gochikwanja 2027 na ande bagochore ometo gochora na korokuno kwa muhimu
no kwa muhimu sana
ande bagochore ne binge lakini gatora kwanda anda ke bibere bitatu bibire bya muhimu obegeta so mutu gochikoneke nga bichigo ikiranirwa as soon as possible.
Number one, egangene ne yoko bomu MCA. The main role of an MCA is oversight and representation y'abantu bamintu. So the main role kwanza ngo chiwasora buno mu MCA bwenye matuta ward is representation of these people. And then oversight. Oversight yo governor. Mo governor make sure amagendero na leta sekenyoro. And then number 3, number ya gatatu. I'm very big and heavy on oboremi boito bwechai. And I normally tell my people, it was in my manifesto 2022. Kerona engo minyoko kero kyo MCA. Ngabatebiga, tigato tu an alternative to these tea bushes. Lakini oroje bona zire ngabalira. For instance, a factory engo ya kebirego, balira 10 bob per kilo. Nandi ngabatebi enganga yane, tigato tumeke ebinto na grafted avocados. That was my manifesto in 2022. I will still carry it forward. Noninche boni gani simekete some grafted avocados to show that it is possible kusimeke kamelieke na ndegecheke ke konya abantu. Tiato simeke no 3 months crops. To simeke no cabbage, ebitunguo. Let us try to do mixed farming. Maita kusinto bwate the farming shamba zetu ni mzuri. Tiato tumeke obopoto boli bwate kusi. Torende ekemeli tigato tigego tugare chai yoka kosekawa. Let us try to find that alternatives. So if we find that alternative to the farming tobwate tea bushes, then it means kere bonus yako babobe ntobwate stogotamerra kuchi. Lakini bona igwese kolige chai itere bobe and the people don't have anywhere to go. Yes.
Nakyo obegetemero perio yogo chakwane kyanga nkorureri bagagochia se okoba accounted for yani ngo kosoro wore maybe ngo kore ase ncho wateire oborai bwabono nguna basai mo gotora chinga kichinga ngo baikera.
Yes.
Are you planning onye go chigo sekero gekega ngo bora accountable erinde abana nchi bago ikere bakoboria maporio your critics bakonyore bakobori ngyo tara korda 1 2 3.
I thank you. Na renge se school ekoro kuna Kisi school And when we were there, a principal ite yanga tuarege ntekoro kuna school baraza. A school baraza yeye to ikaransirense we present our problems to him. Go say to the administration. To abate this is where we find we are being tunafinywa kidogo igano otoroche bintu birebo. And for me, and this I want to promise the people of Bunyamatuta wherever you are, we shall be organizing chibaraza tuikaranza na inu mwanda yomu MCA iga ntobwato mujano iga na kiro turakonya. If it is me who is supposed to do the same thing even every I will assist them in the same barazas. Nareta bantu these agricultural officers and also medical officers and mental officers. These are psychologists tuikaranza na bara to inform them of the changes. Tiatoste meno ina bantu baito tuatora even medical camps kerombwate ebarase bante yumo chanonga yore these medical camps abantu baminto banyara gopimu naona marwiro maito squeeze ya marwiro kuna cancer. If you don't diagnose it earlier italeta shida. That is how we are going to help our people. It's the small things ina bira konya bantu baminto. So incha will be there in the ground and apart from Kobe ground we shall be setting chibarasa ase binyoro bono Bunyamatuta ingete Bunyamatuta ne bwate binyoro korura totebe koru nyakemincha soeke brige nyene nyabisimba onsi. We shall be coming there every 3 months tuikaranza na bantu inse bante. This is where we feel we can do better. Igano to gochonchereri kero bora yoboni no mongete. I'm just your representative. So mweza wata na timbwente gocha after 5 years it will be unfair. So I'll be coming back every 3 months tuikaranza na inu ase barase yetu hakuana. Now we do the medical camps also.
Narora take kubori all this is good plan, especially kwa kwani rumete amarwire na mangare na ndi chikambi chigana chiko cha konya abana inchi tari abasaibo kana bwego chibarase chiga soko sange birengererio. Is it necessary bikore kana sobora iba okero wa soire bose are you not able to bikora boni kana okero tara so sobora?
Thank you Mr. Clinton. Goteba na tingo nyara okora boniga and to organize the event ya mental health and awareness ya ukwandira igoro ya mental issues na health. Tubwato mwakirio yo mo the agwanche to kweroka the city lawyer okoro ko Lampard Kerio Job is organizing with us and our CBO goes organization ekoro kuna Uhai and Soul. We are organizing for an event eko chakobachi tariki 13 motienyo December tukonye beka alia sakoro kuna Maimayu Myers Place asakoro ku Myers no tutaenda tuikaransense na abantu to send money. It's a nature abantu bikaranse they interact with nature.
All ages
yes all ages. No, we don't have a bracket. We only want people to come to interact na bravo. We see the place babwate no nyasa ora ogo swim ne chinsu. It's a natural place where you cool down your mind. And also we have a very beautiful lady. She's our psychologist called Mary. You can check her out on the Uhai and Soul. She will be talking to the people. So that abanta waminto they find a way to relax and find a breakthrough. You see, mental is something that should be spoken about. So let us come. We shall only be asking a few coins, 3,000 only, and then we shall be sorting everything out.
Emiro beribuneiga na kira bantu ba Bunyamatuta barabo they benefit because especially youths baboneka to atebire they go through a lot of mental issues.
Yes.
Na kira bantu ba Bunyamatuta na kina barobara benefit kurwase teba konyoro bubwene bwo kana boigo a lot of engagements.
Yes.
We
are trying as from next year the organization in our Uhai and Soul. We shall be traveling now to Bunyamatuta, Wase West, Mogrango, Wase Nyamira at large. And there is also a friend of mine, Okorokuna, Kevin. He's now Monyageta Aliare, Kevin Gesora. So we shall be coming to the villages because he's a doctor. We want to go to a medical camp and also the mental wellness. With also our able wakili mo idane andri kumatika mai. Kera nera no akoru asakar kuna matutu. We shall be going with him. Nere wakili job, it shall be facilitating us and also working with the organization. To ende say ground bono ayere busi. So next year will be heavy kwa sababu simono to help the people. Na anda bantu mbaba sago soka, especially young men, kindly show up We shall also be talking about the menstrual health, yamangana basubati, and everything that entails anything. And also the most important thing that we shall be focusing on, keratokwenda chingongo chitu chagusi, it's about the HIV and AIDS that has been neglected. I don't feel if the education on sex and also the HIV has been looked upon very much. So we shall be focusing on that. So next year, God willing, if God atatufikisha pale, we shall be heavy on that and we shall go help our people. Yes.
Thank you so much. Tuanyara kwa batogo sanga amange kurende amabori ane yo mweri okero togo chikokorera tirato chake neriga erimo ninkyo kogera obose ninkyo roche kekobegete to bautiaye negatia barwandri bande abasaye maybe bakorike kirogo bune kiago bose bari basoke na barabuna andake batari basaye nkiyo kobeka so unique briefly.
What makes me unique is I understand what my people are going through. Njene village boy has come to Nairobi to find a way to navigate through the city and go back to the village, go help our people. So I'm just a village boy who is trying to make my village better. The difference between me and the other competitors is that I'm there to help my people, not to help me myself. Because for me, kama ni kujisaidia naeza ngangana na biashara ama hapa na pale, but I want to go back and help that umwana uliore village mahali. Let us talk to them. Let us make sure that the education is better. That is the only difference. Njino mwanzo ntagete kerango cha kukurwe kwa ikopo and say I have an impact that natigire asoboga magumo ntagete, and that will be the greatest achievement that I will have made in this world.
Ekemanyerio yes abari ya ucha soborai nkereki na ande ninki community, like what is your campaign slogan as a ogo achieve the good vision ye word yago?
My campaign slogan is simple. Come one, come all. Tukonye bonye matuta with bonye matuta's finest oyore inche one. So come all, tiatumira namo, tiatusangamo. Even my opposition brothers, I normally welcome them. Tukae chini bana. Hii si vita, and I want to call on the old people bali hapa kaka bali bagus. Siasa, etuta itokonye kinyorogi itu. Tiatotike mbwembe, tiatobwatana niamo, to chamo. Tokonye busiye ito, nikose Kenya ito yonse.
Aseda kekeyemo bono ujumbe yago gochia se abasaye ndake mbale bali batete go so yase siasa bali bali batatageti siasa lakini batagetubura yobu yakwa siasa baeso kiri ase chinchira au kamera yawe gari in 1 minute obasembi babo mboro bura gochia sabasaye.
Oh, thank you. So my brothers, young, old, who is a youth? Ena riso walingo chanavori. A youth is a person working for the common good of the future. So on the Wednesday or in that state, I want to welcome you and tell you, if you want to join, it is not an easy journey. It will never be. Because the best option yogo change sakoro. So don't give up. Leadership is not given, it's taken. Kwa wale ambao wanataka kuhakikisha uongozi kwa sobora iwabeiro bia as youths, I want to urge you, what they number 1. Number 2, I know muntu somete uno masai. Usene batura soma, use the analytical ways of analyzing data to come up with the best candidate among those bakoran for that position. That will give you a head start yoko choro monto ochikokonya bantu. To wasote ana atia senge njotingiyo tini kubwata kura. Kindly, I want to ask each and every one of us listening to us kosanda buensi ochikoiguli ogeli maambi na maambieni. Kindly bwate kura. Ekura ndio weapon yako. Na andeboni yeto resegi. Andonyo ko resegi nto bwatie weapon, you are a weak man. So kindly let us go and tushike kura yako ndio uamuzi wako ambao utasaidia Kenya. Yes.
Miamalo hase okwira chinga kichago gocha kusangana intwe and of course to kugandria maya ase amarora igago ne sabari yago yokoria ko wakilisha aba na inchi kurwase ensemo kuro kwa mention ya bo nyamatuto mwancho murigeria no to wikira omwerio we nkwana ito ntuchiko batogo sanga chinkwana bune chika chuko kwandira abasaye kero eriberera yage siasa rigendete kwene kyo bosibwe chikura chine no mwaka o 2027 asabasaye ba kwandira ko babange nabigo tunyara ko batokone ke bunangwa sema nitora senchira ya mo hose eyende kwa kirambo ya marona ya sokwira chinga kichiago hosanga ntwe twikira omwerio ase edimatatu ya lero chidage kando che chitigarete inye enyare ko ba bose chidage emerongo etatu na inye irage chinsa isano chia hono botuko no twikira omwerio gutomera nande ase embeo nyasaye ka wanchari tkoria ankyo kolenda sebonega twarobotkovia gendra kwegokya nimero bele gendota sembeo yensoko TV chekuru kwa Clinton Ndigi asedi bagaria ya Brian Achaka yorenge maga yechi kamera omo director ne Zaki Kenya bago konya na Natol D hamo na Joshua Nyauma tumirane ankyo.